Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2019 Volvo S60 T6 R-Design in Osmium gray metallic with a charcoal Nappa leather interior. This super sweet S60 sedan has less than 38,000 miles on it. The R-Design gives you the gloss black trim. Check out those 18-inch wheels. I haven't seen many of those. Those are super cool. This has the advanced package, so you get the 360-degree camera system, the graphic heads-up display, and pilot assist with adaptive cruise control. T6 means it's a 4-cylinder turbo and supercharged engine, and you'll get 316 horsepower, which is great for this car. It's super peppy, fun to drive. You get dual integrated tailpipes, and again the gloss black trim surround, that's an R-Design detail. Little power back here. Pass through, those seats do fold down. This is all-wheel drive. You'll be able to remote start this car through the Volvo On Call app, and with the purchase of a certified pre-owned Volvo, you get a year's subscription to that. It also has the upgraded Harmon Kardon stereo system. That's part of the R-Design trim level. Memory seating for two for both the driver and the passenger. You get the metal pedals, the R-Design features. Your seat controls are here. Giant sunroof that has a power sunshade. And this is when they still put the R-Design in the headrest. I really like that detail. Metal mesh inlays. Your ignition switch is right here. Your center screen, we'll turn this down. This will always be set up like this. You have navigation at the top. You're back to your home button. We'll bring you back one more time. Your media, you can change that up. Pair your phone, check out the sound experience, or if you'd rather have, we can slide this over. If you'd rather see your text messages there, you can do that. Along the bottom here is your climate control. So click on the little guy, choose where you would like the heat or cool to go, and set it up. You can synchronize with your co-pilot if you'd like. That's where you get the seat heat and steering wheel heat controls. It's too hot for that today. And back over here, this is where you'll be able to plug in for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Once you do plug in there, that will light up, and you just plug in right here. The one on the right is the control for that, and the other one is just a regular phone charger. Your drive mode, adjustable drive modes, cup holders, a little more power, a little extra spot there. This has paddle shifters, rain sensing wipers, auto high beams. So much to these cars. This one is available for immediate delivery. It is stock number 6470A. We'd love to see you on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine, because we've got your car and it's sweet. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon from Portland Volvo.